So hi everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly there is a better tool available for Mac Store which can clean up your Mac junk files and make it run smoothly. So Google, as you know, there are a couple of options, but the most popular options are Clean My Mac, which is from macbook, which is the best application for cleaning your entire Mac. But this has some limitations, and you can't use it like we have to recharge it every time. We have to buy a new version when it comes out for the new year. We have to recharge. So there is an alternate free version available in the market, and I will show you that too. So the name of that application is Mole. Um, Mole is generally a deep clean optimization for Mac. It is open source. It is available in the GitHub repository. So if you check this out, it is deeply optimizing that. It runs in the command prompt basically. So you just install it via Homebrew. You just copy this command from here and just paste this command and click on enter. It will directly install. So I already installed it. You are able to see more has been installed. So what I have to do in this case, like I just wanted to close this one, open the command prompt again, sudo more, enter the password, it will open up with the sudo command. This is the app I'm talking about. So once you have this app, just click on anything. Like right now I have some I have I have an option to clean, free up disk space, install remove apps completely, check and maintain system, analyze, explore disk usage, and monitor system health. Let me check the first thing. It will analyze, check for all the things in the background, the system crash reports, manage logs, clean, how to allow it to take control of your files and just click enter. Once it is, you allow all the things together. Like what happens, it will check everything in app cache, browser, cloud markers, developer tools, everything it will check. And so it will give you that you have 73 free MB of free space. This is because I have installed it right now. So like I have installed this application with the Mac. I just have to reset it and install it. So basically my storage will be clean right now. So anyway, it cleans up some. Basically, you will be able to see these are all my macOS files. These are the files I've been installing. Documents, files. 1578. Just click on more. And it installs some application layer. Wait, click on the optimize. It will optimize in the background. Everything it optimizes. Optimizes all the services. Then analyze disk space. Analyze all the disk space for you. taking the system folder, like scanning containers, let's checking some like this one maybe um, how to delete it. You can delete it right now from the containers applications. The status, you can also check the status here. So this is it guys, this is the application mode.